Let me show you how you can create this Twitter like button using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first of all, you will need a heart icon, so you can download the SVG from this website. Now in the HTML, let's create a button with the class like button, and inside this button I will include that SVG, and I will remove the default stroke and width and height because I will later add them in CSS. In CSS, let's start with the like button. Width and height I want to be 50 pixel. I remove the default background and border, and cursor I want to be pointer. Now for the SVG, the width and height I want to be 100%, and I will give it a stroke color that will be #333. Now for the circular shadow effect, when the like button gets over, we will use after pseudo element. So here first of all, content property is mandatory. I want to position it in relative to the like button, so I'll use position absolute here and position relative in like button. Width and height I want 150%. Next I'll give background color and the border radius of 50%. And for centering it, I'll use top left 50% and transform translate minus 50% from x and y axis. And initially I want to hide it, so I'll use opacity 0. Now for the hover effect, when like button gets over, I want to apply these styles. I will make after pseudo element visible, and I have changed the stroke color of the SVG element. I have also applied transition property on after pseudo element and SVG for a smoother transition. Now for click effect, we need JavaScript. So in JavaScript, let's add click event listener to like button, and we'll toggle like the class whenever like button will get clicked. Now back to CSS, here I will write when like button will have like class. I change the stroke and fill colors of the SVG. And that's it, you got that Twitter like button right there.